Good morning. Oh, it's cozy in my bag, but I've got so much I need to do this morning. Turn on my lights. Got a couple rechargeable bicycle lights. I use them as flood lighting whenever I'm out camping so I can film. Oh, I've been using the same battery for 4 days. All right, let's go get some water. Let's see. All right. Got a nice little breakfast here. Got some pork jowl bacon, got some hot muesli cereal, some hot chocolate, and an apple. Ooh. Oh my goodness, I am full. Well, I've got to go use the little boys' room. All right. I must say, this is one of the prettier outhouses I've ever been in. I'm gonna turn this off now. Oh, I can't believe how dark it still is. It's almost 8 o'clock and there's just barely light in the sky. This time of year, the days get shorter very quickly.